And before we're ready to make that commitment, there's got to be a very, very solid foundation. Science will be part of that foundation, but certainly broader national and international objectives of binding together nations in the peaceful pursuits, reaching out for the stars, that's going to be an essential element of our governments eventually making that commitment to return humans to the moon and then sending humans on out beyond the moon, out into the solar system.
But of the two treaties, the second one in 1984 had only 7 signatories, which means that in fact there could be a scramble and there could be disagreement among countries. With things moving so fast, perhaps there isn't the legislation in place to stop an unseemly scramble.
Well, legislation has a way of following capability rather than preceding it. And in fact, so much of space exploration is going on today through international cooperation in very effective ways. There is the Space Station Partnership in human exploration. There is the International Lunar Exploration Working Group and the International Mars Exploration Working Group, just to give 2 examples, in robotic scientific exploration. And so I think that the cooperative spirit that dominates today in space exploration, I think, will continue, and we'll use those relationships to work through those problems.
Well, we have to let you go back to much more important work than speaking to us, because in fact you have less than 2 hours to blast off. So thank you very much, Carl Pilcher. Just sticking with you, as a scientist, what do you think is the one thing that you hope will return from this space probe?
Where the moon came from. I mean, we really don't know that at the moment. There are a number of competing theories as to how the moon actually formed in the first place and the formation of the Earth-Moon system. So those sorts of things, the history of the solar system, are the important parts of any planetary exploration mission like this.
And what Carl Pilcher was saying is that because there's been such an amazing leap forward so quickly, that you'll actually have that information relatively quickly.
Yes, this type of space probe is a cheap one, and it's a smaller, faster, cheaper type. It has been built quickly, and it's going to be returning information soon. So certainly the scientists involved will be looking forward to the results.
Thank you very much indeed. We await. The National Health Service, born in the rubble of World War